This is the small travel electronics cable organizer from BAGSMART. The exterior is made of ripstop nylon and features a two-way zipper. The right side features 5 mesh pouches for storing accessory cables and writing utensils. The left side features larger elastic straps where you can hold bigger items like a computer mouse. Also, it has a mesh zippered pouch with a convenient SD card holder. And you still have room for other items like headphones. Underneath this pouch, there's a large compartment where you can hold a battery pack and a hard drive. Even with all these items, the pouch remains small and compact. This is the small travel electronics cable organizer from BAGSMART.